Hello friends, katal job ni notification ata boy hastane jobs YouTube channel lo norajotna lamsago fighting kesang tine Tripura police ni bisingte katal kaisa notification alenai o notification ka norot jara jara special executive police post ni bagai application joma rema jagya tongnai norokno application joma rina bagai taiwaisa katal de rika norok already special executive police post ni bagai application joma rijak ke tei norok joma rina nangya omongka fresh candidate simisi application ma khaina tei norok jara special executive police post ni bagai interested candidate tongnai tei norok application joma marinai 30 October 2023 tarik ni simi 6 November 2023 tarik jora tei norok ni local police station thangai na fresh application joma marinai application form na fill up khlai tei norok ni all documents xerox copy tilangai na police station thangai application joma ridi o notification Tripura police ni website na rijak Tripura police ni website jak tongo o website thangai ba notification details na naimano ke friends nora nugai makhna special executive police post ni bagai katal fresh application ni notification o mahai katal job ni notification naina bagai hastini jobs YouTube channel no subscribe khlai support khaide tei nora katal job ni notification